Welcome to Fibermall's 400G QSFP112 SR4 optical module product video. This module adopts MPO, 12 interface, and power consumption is less than or equal to 8W. In the test session, we use 400G QSFP112 SR4 module and 400G OSFP SR4 flat-top module. Use MPO 12 fiber cable for connection. The first connection scenario is the switch cascade scenario. (400G QSFP112 SR4 module plugged into the switch. Green light indicates successful connection. The second connection scenario, the two NICs are interconnected through the switch. Insert the 400G QSFP112 SR4 module into the switch, and the 400G OSFP SR4 flat-top module into the NIC end. When both device indicators show green, it means the connection is successful. And finally, the two NICs can be interconnected. After successful connection, you can check the module information, DDM information, and NIC connection status through commands. If you have any questions, please consult the Fibermall website.